Good evening, friend. Today's date is 23 November 2021, and today's video topic is inheritance in Java. So, before starting today's topic, let me small introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Gangadhar Amge. I am from Latur. I have completed my engineering from Jhil College of Engineering, Pune in 2017. So, my hobbies are playing cricket and 5 members in my family including me. So let's start today's topic, inheritance in Java. Basically, inheritance is a main pillar in OOPS concept. OOPS means object oriented programming language. Basically, Java is a object oriented language. Means they have only deal with the classes and object. There are main 4 pillars of the OOPS in Java. That's first one is inheritance. So let's see what is mean by inheritance, why we use inheritance, what are the advantages, and disadvantages of the inheritance. Basically, inheritance is a mechanism which is acquire or property which is acquire the object which is acquire the properties and functionality of the parent class child class object to parent class. It is nothing but inheritance. Basically, means we can suppose 2 classes. One is a parent class and another is a child class. Then when we child class inherit parent class, then it's acquire all properties methods in that child class methods. We can acquire the child class object of all property of that parent class. Also they have to in a child class also inbuilt the our method also to provide also our method. There are some terms in inheritance. First term is a class. Class is a nothing but a group of object. It is a blueprint or it is a blueprint. And second term is a parent class or super class. The class which is the subclass which is inherit that class is called as parent class. Means parent class which is called as a super class or parent class. And another term is child class. The class which is inherit to the parent class is called as super child class or derived class or a subclass. And they have inherit with extend keyword. The extend means increase the functionality. The syntax of the inherit, how to inherit or inherit the super class to child class to parent class is class child extend parent. The extend keyword are used to inherit the parent class. So the advantage of the inheritance is we can achieve runtime polymorphism, means method overriding we can achieve in inheritance. And second advantage is code reusability, means when we inherit the inherit the parent class, then we can access that method without implement their method. We can access that method. This is a code the main advantage of the inheritance. And there are some types of inheritance in Java. First one is a simple inheritance. Second one is a multi-level inheritance. And third one is a hierarchical inheritance. And multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance are not supported in Java. We can achieve we can this is possible in interface. First we see the simple inheritance. The child class inherit the parent class is called as a simple inheritance, means one class inherit to another class. Suppose the example, let's see the example. Suppose the dog two classes, one is a animal class and another is a dog class, and dog is a child class and animal is a parent class. So the dog is in class dog is in extend animal. In that case we can acquire, when we create the object of the dog class, we can acquire all property of the animal class also, and same dog class also we can access that property or functionality of that both classes we can access. The real world example is simple. Our when parent and child can acquire all properties of the parent class, but parent class does not acquire the child class property. And let's see second example is second type is multi-level inheritance, means chain of inheritance, means there are one class extend on suppose one parent class suppose let's see the example of the multi-level inheritance is animal is a class, animal is a parent class, dog is a child class, and another baby dog is also child class. So baby dog inherit dog class, and dog class inherit animal class. So this is a multi-level inheritance. And the third one is hierarchical inheritance, means there are two or more classes inherit one single class, is called as hierarchical inheritance. So hierarchically there is a simple example of that hierarchical interface inheritance is suppose animal is a class, and animal is a parent class, and dog and cat is a child class. So both are animal class is extend dog class is inherit animal class, and cat class is also inherit the animal class. This is nothing but hierarchical inheritance. So let's see the multiple inheritance means there are one class which is inherit to the two classes, means suppose A and B is a parent class, and C is a child class, and C class is inherit both parent class. In that case Java is not support the multiple inheritance, means at that time it create ambiguity, means suppose both A and B parent classes have same method. In that case in that case the child class object is confused or create an ambiguity to which one method is called inside that two parent class. That's why Java is not supported multiple inheritance. So compile time error is better. Compile time error is better than runtime error. That's why Java is not supported to multiple inheritance. But we can achieve multiple inheritance through interface. And fifth one is hybrid inheritance. It is not also supported in Java because it is a combination of multi-level and multiple hierarchical and multiple combination of two any subclass subtype. So it is also not supported in Java. The disadvantage of and also inheritance is a relationship. It is a relationship provided inheritance. So basically how it is a relationship. Suppose animal is a parent class and a dog is a child class. So in that case dog is a animal. That's why it is provider is a relationship. So let's see the disadvantage of that inheritance is only one disadvantage is that it is a tightly coupled classes. That it is a main disadvantage of that inheritance. It is a tightly bonding of two classes. When tightly bonding of two classes means when we changes of one classes, it will be effect on another classes. That's why it is a main disadvantage of the inheritance. Thank you.